Navigating Customs Clearance for Food Products, Essential Guide for Importers. Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to providing valuable insights into customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will explore the topic of customs clearance for food products. We will discuss the key considerations, compliance measures, and hygienic protocols necessary to ensure a smooth and efficient customs clearance process when importing and exporting food items. Importance of compliance and safety in the food industry. Compliance with regulations and adherence to safety measures are critical when it comes to customs clearance for food products. The import and export of food items involve specific considerations due to the potential impact on public health, safety standards, and regulatory compliance. Let's delve into the key factors that importers and exporters need to consider when dealing with customs clearance for food products. Understanding food import and export regulations. Importers and exporters must familiarize themselves with the regulations governing the import or export of food products. These regulations vary from country to country and often encompass requirements related to food safety, labeling, packaging, and documentation. Understanding and complying with these regulations is crucial for successfully navigating the customs clearance process. Compliance with food safety standards. Compliance with food safety standards is paramount for customs clearance of food products. Importers and exporters must adhere to applicable food safety regulations, such as hazard analysis critical control points, HACCP, or good manufacturing practices, GMP. Ensuring proper handling, storage, and transportation of food items, as well as implementing rigorous quality control measures, are fundamental to guaranteeing the safety and integrity of the products during customs clearance. Proper labeling and packaging requirements. Accurate and compliant labeling and packaging are crucial for customs clearance of food products. Importers and exporters must adhere to labeling regulations specific to the importing country. This includes providing comprehensive ingredient lists, allergen declarations, nutritional information, and any other mandatory labeling requirements. Proper packaging ensures the preservation, safety, and hygienic handling of the food items during transportation and customs procedures. Documentation and certification. Comprehensive and accurate documentation is essential for customs clearance of food products. Importers and exporters must provide necessary documents, including commercial invoices, packing lists, certificates of origin, health certificates, and any other specific certificates or permits required by the importing or exporting countries. Ensuring accurate and complete documentation is crucial to avoid delays and ensure compliance with customs regulations. Compliance with phytosanitary and veterinary requirements. Certain food products, particularly fresh produce or animal-based products, may require phytosanitary or veterinary certificates to meet regulatory requirements. Importers and exporters must comply with these specific requirements to ensure food safety and prevent the spread of plant pests or animal diseases. Implementing proper phytosanitary and veterinary practices and obtaining relevant certifications are essential for compliance during the customs clearance process. Collaboration with regulatory authorities. Collaboration and open communication with regulatory authorities are vital for successful customs clearance of food products. Importers and exporters should establish relationships with regulatory authorities, such as the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, or the relevant food safety agencies in the importing and exporting countries. Collaborating with regulatory authorities helps seek guidance, clarify requirements, and address any inquiries or concerns during the customs clearance process. Compliance with import controls and restrictions. Certain foods may be subject to import controls or restrictions, such as quota limitations or restrictions on the importation of certain ingredients or products. Importers must check if their food products fall under any specific import controls or restrictions and comply with the relevant regulations accordingly. Understanding and fulfilling import control requirements support compliance and facilitate the customs clearance process. Compliance with sanitary and phytosanitary measures. Sanitary and phytosanitary (SPS) measures are important considerations for customs clearance of food products. SPS measures aim to ensure the safety of food products and the protection of human, animal, and plant health. Importers and exporters must comply with SPS requirements related to food safety, contaminants, pesticide residues, microbial standards, and other relevant measures. Adhering to SPS regulations helps secure clearance for food products and minimizes delays. Collaboration with customs brokers and freight forwarders. Working with experienced customs brokers and freight forwarders specializing in the food industry can significantly simplify the customs clearance process. These professionals have the expertise and knowledge to navigate the complexities of customs regulations, interpret specific requirements for food products, and provide guidance on compliance. Collaborating with customs brokers and freight forwarders ensures accurate customs declarations, proper documentation, and efficient coordination with customs authorities. Compliance with food additive regulations. Food additive regulations are specific to certain food products that contain additives, such as preservatives, colorants, or flavor enhancers. Importers and exporters must comply with regulations governing the use and levels of food additives to ensure compliance during customs clearance. Properly understanding and adhering to food additive regulations prevent issues during customs procedures. Compliance with halal and kosher standards. For food products intended for specific religious or cultural dietary requirements, compliance with halal or kosher standards may be necessary. Importers and exporters must ensure their food products comply with the respective requirements, including proper certification by recognized halal or kosher authorities. Compliance with these standards helps ensure acceptance of the food products in the target markets and facilitates customs clearance. Utilizing technology solutions. Leveraging technology solutions streamlines customs clearance for food products. Importers and exporters should consider utilizing customs management software, electronic data interchange (EDI) systems, or online platforms to simplify documentation processes, facilitate data exchange with customs authorities, and minimize manual errors. Implementing technology solutions enhances accuracy, expedites customs clearance, and promotes customs compliance. Compliance with international trade agreements. Exporters should explore international trade agreements applicable to the export of food products. These agreements may offer benefits such as reduced or eliminated customs duties, simplified customs procedures, and streamlined processes for compliant exporters. Compliance with international trade agreements enhances cost competitiveness and expedites customs clearance. Proper cold chain management. For perishable food products that require temperature control, proper cold chain management is crucial during customs clearance. Importers and exporters must ensure that the cold chain is properly maintained during transportation and customs procedures to maintain the product's freshness and quality. Implementing effective cold chain management practices helps prevent spoilage or damage to perishable food items. Risk management and quality control. Implementing robust risk management and quality control measures is essential for successful customs clearance of food products. Conducting regular quality control checks, implementing traceability systems, and monitoring the entire supply chain, from sourcing to delivery, minimizes the risk of non-compliance and ensures the highest level of product quality and safety. Continuous improvement and ongoing learning are essential for successful customs clearance of food products. Importers and exporters should stay updated on changes in regulations, industry best practices, and emerging trends to enhance their customs clearance processes. Engaging in continuous improvement and learning promotes operational excellence and ensures compliance with evolving requirements. As we conclude this video, we hope you now have a better understanding of customs clearance for food products. By prioritizing compliance with regulations, ensuring accurate documentation, collaborating with customs brokers and regulatory authorities, implementing proper packaging and labeling, and leveraging technology solutions, importers and exporters can streamline the customs clearance process and ensure the prompt and efficient import and export of food items. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future videos, where we will continue to explore various topics related to customs brokerage, international trade, and strategies for navigating the complexities of the import-export industry.